Today, Finn and I are wrestling with the problems you might experience if you buy a restored flood car. Even though a flood car may look restored, there can be lurking problems that can cause safety issues, a lot of expense, and headaches. Flood water can damage electrical connectors and cause corrosion that can lead to malfunctions in the electrical systems, including glitches in the computer modules that control the engine and other critical functions. Floodwater exposure can lead to the growth of mold and mildew inside the car, which can cause unpleasant odors, respiratory problems, and damage to the interior. You can also experience rust and corrosion because the floodwater can accelerate that rust and corrosion on the car's body, frame, and undercarriage. This can lead to structural problems and weaken the car's overall integrity. The safety systems can malfunction, such as the airbags and the anti-lock brakes. This can put you and your passengers at risk in an accident. Overall, buying a restored flood car is a risky proposition. Finn and I recommend that you just say no. And if you were tricked into buying a flood car, you should contact us for help. Right, Finn? Can you come and give me a high five? Right, Finn? High five.